Let's continue our topic. Place value of the digit of a number. Today, let's learn the place value of a digit in both the numbering system. Each digit has its own place value depending upon its position in the place value chart. Let's understand by solving one example. This is the place value chart of Indian system. The place value of this 1. The place value of 1 is 1 and value is 1. The place of 0 is tens and the value is 0. Place value of 2 is 200. Place value of 3 is 3000. Place value of 4 is 40,000. Place value of 5 is 5 lakhs. Place value of 8 is 80 lakhs. Place value of 7 is 7 crore. And the place value of 6 is 6. 10 crore means 60 crore. Place value chart of international. Periods ones, thousand, million, billion. The place value of 2 is 2 billion. The place value of 5, this million period, is million, 10 million, and here is 100 million. So the place value of this 5 is 10 million. The place value of 3, 1000, 10,000, and here is 100,000. So 3 is 100,000. In this exercise, write the place value of underlined digit of the following number in the Indian system of numeration. In this, you have to write only the place value of underlined digit. In first question, 7 number is underlined. So the place value of 7 is 1, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 70 lakh. In B question, write the place value of the digit underlined in the following numeral in the international system of numeration. Underlined digit is 6. So the place value of 6 is 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So 600 million is the place value of this 6. Next topic is comparison of large number. Two numbers when compared are either equal or one is greater than the other one or one is less than the other. There are some rules to how to compare the two numbers. First rule is number containing greater number of digits is greater than the number containing lesser number of digits. In short form, of two numbers, the number having more digit is greater. In second, if two numbers have equal number of digits, the number having the greater digit in the place of the highest value, that is leftmost, is greater. If the two number with equal number of digits have equal digits at the leftmost place, the number having the greater digit in the place next to leftmost is greater. Means when we compare these two numbers, according to this first rule, the number having more digit is greater. So firstly count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both are the 8 digit number. Move to second rule number. If the two numbers have equal number of digits, the number having the greater digit in the place of the highest value from left side, here is 6 and here is also 6. Then move the rule number third. If the two number have equal number of digit, have same equal digit at the leftmost place, the number having the greater digit in the place next to left say next. Here is 3 and here is also 3. Then repeat the rule 3. Here is 7 and here is 2. These are equal, and 7 is greater, so this number is greater than this number. Next is ascending order and descending order. Ascending order or increasing order means arrange the number from smallest to greatest, and descending means arrange the number from greatest to smallest. This is your exercise of ascending order and descending order. Our next topic is expanded notation of larger number. Expanded form means expand a number according to the place value. Write the place value of each digit with plus sign between each place value. For example, here is a number. We expand this number with their place value and plus sign. Place value of 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus place value of 5 is plus place value of 3 is plus place value of another 6 is, then place value of 4 is, place value of 8 is, place value of 9 is, place value of 2 is, and place value of 5. We expand this number. Okay. Next is short form. When we write a number using digits, you add all this number and write here numeral of this number. Do practice of the number system. Here. Yes. What is successor and what is predecessor? What is successor? The number just after a given number is its successor. We add 1, that is plus 1 to a number, get its successor. The number just before this number, a given number, is its predecessor. We subtract 1 from a number to get its predecessor. Thank you. Keep practicing.